Good morning, students. Welcome to Adas Vidyalaya Max online class. I will see the chapter Algebra, example sums 3.37 to 3.40. Example 3.37. The product of Kumaran's age in years 2 years ago and his age 4 years from now is one more than twice his present age. What is his present age? Solution. Let the present age of Kumaran be x years. The first condition is 2 years ago his age equal to x minus 2 years. That means present age minus 2, that is 2 years ago. And then second condition is 4 years from now his age equal to x plus 4 years. 4 years from means present age plus 4, that equal to 4 years from, equal to x plus 4 years. And also given that the product of Kumaran's age, the first one is x minus 2, second one is x plus 4. Then product of Kumaran's age x minus 2 into x plus 4, that equal to 1 more than twice his present age. 1 more than means 1 plus twice means 2x. Now multiply x minus 2 into x plus 4, that equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 equal to 1 plus 2x. So x square plus 2x minus 8 equal to 1 plus 2x. Now 2x is cancelled. The remaining x square minus 8 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x square equal to 9. X equal to plus or minus 3. Negative value cannot be possible. Therefore we get x equal to 3. Kumaran's present age is 3 years. Example 3.38. A ladder 17 feet long a leaning against a wall. If the ladder vertical wall and the floor from the bottom of the wall to the ladder from a right triangle, find the height of the wall where the top of the ladder meet if the distance between bottom of the wall to bottom of the ladder is 7 feet less than the height of the wall. First we draw a diagram. AB be the wall, BC be the ladder and wall foot of the wall, AC be the ladder. AC equal to 17 feet. Now find the value of height of the wall, that is we take x value. BC equal to x minus 7 because BC is 7 feet less than the height of the wall, that equal to x minus 7. Now we will see the solution. Let the height of the wall AB equal to x feet. As per given data, BC equal to x minus 7 feet. In the right angle triangle ABC, now AC equal to 17 feet, BC equal to x minus 7, AB equal to x. Using Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse side AC square equal to sum of the square of the other two side. Other two side is AB and BC. Therefore AB square plus BC square. AC equal to 17, AB equal to x and BC equal to x minus 7. Therefore AC square 17 square equal to x square plus x minus 7 the whole square. 17 square equal to 289 equal to x square plus x minus 7 the whole square, that is a minus b the whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Therefore x square minus 14x plus 49. Now simplify the equation. X square plus x square minus 14x plus 49 equal to 289. x square plus x square 2x square minus 14x 49 minus 289 equal to 0, that equal to minus 240. Now divided by 2, x square minus 7x minus 120 equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation solved by factorization method. Multiple by 2 number is 120 minus 120. The same number subtract minus 7, then we get the 2 number is minus 15 and 8 divided by x, minus 15 divided by x, 8 by x. Therefore we get x minus 15, x plus 8. Now get x equal to plus 15 and x equal to minus 8. Minus value cannot be possible, therefore minus 8 is not possible. We get x equal to 15 feet. Therefore height of the wall AB equal to 15 feet. Example 3.37. A fork of span contains x square members. As the cloud gathered 10x went to a lake, and 1/8 of a member flew away to a garden. The remaining 3 pairs played about in the water. How many swans were there in total? So the total number of swan is x square. The given data is 10x went to the lake, and second one is 1/8 of members flew away to a garden. So went to a lake means subtract the total value. 1/8 of member flew away to a garden means that's also subtract the total number of swans. Remaining 3 pairs, 1 pair equal to 2 swans, therefore 3 pair equal to 6. The given data x square minus 10x minus 1/8 of members means 1 by 8 x square, total number of swan is x square, equal to we get 3 pair 6. We get 7x square minus 80x minus 48 equal to 0. That is a quadratic equation. The value of a equal to 7, b equal to minus 80, c equal to minus 48. We are using quadratic formula method. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That equal to substitute value of abc. b equal to minus 80, minus into minus plus 80 plus or minus root of b square minus 80 the whole square, that equal to 6400 minus 4 into a into c. A value is 7, c value is minus 48 divided by 2 into a. 2 into a value is 14, that equal to 80 plus or minus 6400 minus 1348. 4 into 7 28 minus 48, multiple the values, minus into minus plus 1344 divided by 14. So 80 plus or minus root of 774444 divided by 14. Root value of 7744, that equal to 88 divided by 14. Therefore we get the x value is 80 plus 88 divided by 14, and then x equal to 80 minus 88 divided by 14. We simplify that. X equal to 80 plus 88, that equal to 168 divided by 14. Therefore cancel the value, x equal to 12, that is one value. Second one is 80 minus 88 divided by 14, that equal to x equal to minus 8 divided by 14. Cancel that, minus 4 by 7, that is a value of x. Therefore x equal to 12 comma minus 4 by 7. Minus 4 by 7 is not possible as the number of swan cannot be negative. hence x equal to 12. Therefore total number of swan is x square equal to x value is 12, x square equal to 12 into 12 144. Therefore total number of swan is 144. Example 3.40. A passenger train takes 1 hour more than an express train to travel a distance of 2400 km from Chennai to Viruthachalam. The speed of passenger train is less than that of an express train by 20 km per hour. Find the average speed both the trains. Given that distance equal to 240 km, we find the average speed of both trains, passenger and express train. Solution: let the average speed of passenger train be x km per hour. Then the average speed of express train will be x plus 20 km per hour, because the speed of passenger train is less than an express train by 20 km per hour. Therefore we get x plus 20, that is express train speed. Time taken by the train to cover distance of 240 km, that equal to 240 divided by x hours. The time taken formula, time equal to distance divided by speed. So first train distance 240, speed is x. Therefore t1 equal to 240 divided by x. Time taken by express train to cover distance of 240 km, that is we take t2. Same formula, time equal to distance divided by speed. Distance equal to 240, express train speed equal to x plus 20. Therefore t2 equal to 240 divided by x plus 20. And also given that a passenger train takes 1 hour more than an express train. So passenger train time is 240 divided by x equal to 240 divided by x plus 20, that is express train speed, plus 1 hour more than, that is plus 1. Now simplify the equations. 240 get the common value into 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 20 equal to 1 gives, take LCM, 240 into x plus 20 minus x divided by x into x plus 20 equal to 1. Now cross multiplying we get 4800 equal to x square plus 20x. That is simplify the equation, x square plus 20x minus 4800 equal to 0. That is a quadratic equation using factorization method. Therefore we get multiple two number is minus 4800, at the same number subtract the same number is 20. Therefore the two number is 80 and minus 60. 80 divided by x minus 60 divided by x. Therefore x plus 80 equal to 0, x minus 60 equal to 0. We get the value of x equal to minus 80 and plus 60. Speed cannot be negative value. Therefore we get x equal to 60. Average speed of the passenger train is x equal to 60 km per hour. Next, average speed of the express train is 60 plus 20, that equal to 80 km per hour. Next we will see the exercise 3.12. 3.12 first sum is, if the difference between a number and its reciprocal is 24 divided by 5, find the number. Solution: let x be the record number then its reciprocal is 1 by x. Given the difference between the number and reciprocal means number is x and the reciprocal is 1 by x. Difference means subtract the two values. Therefore x minus 1 by x equal to 24 divided by 5. Now take LCM x into x, x square minus 1 divided by x equal to 24 divided by 5. Now cross multiplying 5 into x square 5x square minus 1 into 5 minus 5 that equal to 24x. Therefore 5x square minus 24x minus 5 equal to 0. That is one quadratic equation. Simplifying factorize method, 5 into minus 5 minus 25. Multiply the two number is minus 25 and the same number is subtract the same number is minus 24. So therefore we get the number is minus 25 into 1. So minus 25 divided by 5 that equal to minus 5, 1 by 5. The number is 5 and the reciprocal is minus 1 by 5. That is a answer. Exercise 3.12 second sum. A garden measuring 12 meter by 16 meter is to have a pedestrian pathway that is W meter wide installed all the way around so that it increase the total area to 285 meter square. What is the width of the pathway? First we draw a one diagram. 16 meter length, 12 meter breadth near rectangular garden. That is inner rectangular. And second one, the pedestrian increased the garden. The total area is 285 meter square. That is a outer rectangular box. The width is, we find the width of the pathway, that equal to we get W. That is a rectangular garden. Now inner rectangular length 16 centimeter, breadth 12 meter. Outer rectangular length 16 W plus W, that equal to 16 plus 2W. Outer rectangular breadth equal to W plus W equal to 2W plus total breadth 12, inner rectangular breadth 12. Therefore total breadth of outer garden 12 plus 2W. Once again I explain the diagram. First we draw one rectangular garden, 16 meter length, 12 meter breadth. The pedestrian increase the garden. The total area is 285 meter square. That is a second rectangular box. W be the width of the pathway. That is a diagram. Inner rectangular garden length 16 meter, breadth 12 meter. Outer rectangular garden length 16 plus 2W. Breadth is 12 plus 2W. That's all, diagram is over. Now solution. Given that length of the garden equal to 16 meter, breadth of the garden equal to 12 meter, width of the path equal to, we get W meter. From the figure, total area equal to 285 meter square. The area of rectangle formula L into B. So therefore L equal to 16 plus 2W, B equal to 12 plus 2W. So L into B equal to total area 285. Now multiply the 12 into 16, that equal to 192. 2W into 12, that equal to 24W. 16 into 2W 32W plus 2W into 2W 4W square. 285 change the equal to minus 285 equal to 0. Simplify the equations. 4W square plus 24W plus 32W that equal to 56W minus 192 minus 285 minus 93 that equal to 0. Now once again simplify the equation. 4W square plus 24 plus 32 that equal to 56W. Now 192 minus 285 that equal to minus 93 that equal to 0. Now using quadratic formula method, here A value equal to 4, B value equal to 56 and C value equal to minus 93. So W equal to quadratic formula minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. Now substitute the value of ABC in equation W. Therefore minus 56 B value plus or minus root of B value is 56 the whole square minus 4 into A value is 4, C value is minus 93 divided by 2 into A value is 4 that equal to minus 56 plus or minus root of 56 square is 3136 plus 4 into 4 16 into 93 that equal to 1488 minus into minus plus divided by 2 into 4 equal to minus 56 plus or minus 3136 plus 1488 equal to 4624 divided by 2 into 4 8. So that equal to minus 56 plus or minus root of 4624 value is 68 divided by 8. Now find the value of W equal to minus 56 plus or minus 68 divided by 8. We split the value of plus value and minus value. Therefore W equal to minus 56 plus 68 divided by 8, comma, minus 56 minus 68 divided by 8. Negative cannot be possible. Therefore, we take minus 56 plus 68 divided by 8. Subtract the value. We get the answer is 12 by 8. That equal to 1.5. 12 is divided by 8 that equal to 1.5. Therefore the width of the path is 1.5 meter. Third question. A bus cover a distance of 90 km at a uniform speed. Had the speed been 15 km per hour, more it would have taken 30 minutes less for the journey. Find the original speed of the bus. Given value is total distance equal to 90 km. Speed of the bus equal to 15 km per hour. Now find the original speed of the bus. That is a question. Let take x be the x kilometer per hour be the original speed of the bus. Distance covered at a uniform speed equal to 90 km. Now write the formula time equal to distance divided by speed. That is formula for distance equal to speed into time. Now we take time equal to distance divided by speed. Therefore we can first time 1 t1 that equal to total distance 90 divided by speed is x. Therefore time taken t1 equal to 90 divided by x. Had the speed been increased 15 km per hour, that is time taken by t2, time taken equal to distance 90 divided by speed x plus 15, more than 15, that is x plus 15. And also given that the bus time taken less than 30 minutes for the journey, therefore t2 minus t1 equal to 30 minutes. We convert 30 minutes, that equal to half an hour, we take 1 by 2. Therefore t2 value is 90 divided by x plus 15 minus t1 value is 90 divided by x, that equal to 1 by 2. We take the common value of numerator 90. So remaining 1 plus x plus 15 minus 1 by x equal to 1 by 2. Now take LCM. X into 1 x minus 1 into x plus 15. So minus 1 into x minus x minus 1 into 15 minus 15 divided by the denominator is x into x plus 15, that equal to 1 by 2. So 2 into 90, that equal to 1 by 80. Therefore plus x, numerator is plus x minus x is cancelled, remaining minus 15. Now cross multiplying minus 15 into 180, that equal to x into x square plus x into 15 15x. Now change the equation, x square plus 15x, 180 into minus 15, therefore minus 2700 equal to 0. That is a quadratic equation, x square plus 15x minus 2700 equal to 0. Simplify any one method. Now we will use factorization method. Multiply any two number, that is we get minus 2700. The same number is added or subtracted, we get plus 15. Now we take 60 into minus 45. 60 into minus 45, that equal to minus 2700. Add the values. 60 minus 45, that equal to plus 15. Therefore we take x plus 60 into x minus 45 equal to 0. Therefore x plus 60 equal to 0 means x equal to minus 60. And second value, x minus 45 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to plus 45. We get the x value is minus 60, 45. But negative value is cannot be possible. Therefore minus 60 cannot be possible. Therefore we get x equal to 45. Therefore original speed of the bus equal to 45 km per hour.